Assembly video for our TV and monitor truss and pole mount. Attaching the mount arm. Using the provided hex wrench, loosen the 2 bolts on the clamp end of the mount arm until the clamp opens wide enough to slide onto the pole. Move the mount arm to the desired height and tighten the bolts back down until secure. Attaching the mount arm to wider poles. Remove the 2 bolts on the clamp end of the mount arm and replace them with the alternate longer bolts. Move the mount arm to the desired height and tighten the bolts back down until secure. Attaching the VESA plate, select the appropriate size mounting bolts and attach the VESA plate, then tighten until secure. Connecting the VESA plate to the mount. Slide the VESA plate onto the end of the mount arm as shown, then secure it in place using the thumb screw. To adjust the viewing angle of the screen, use the hex key to loosen the bolt shown here, adjust the monitor to the desired angle, and tighten the bolt back down. The screen may be turned left or right up to 90 degrees in each direction, and the screen can be rotated to change from landscape to portrait orientation.